Today we'll discuss about aestivation of hibiscus. A plant aestivation can be valvate, twisted, quincuncial, ascending imbricate and vexillary.
Now I will show you the aestivation. First I am cutting it, then I will go to the board and I will show it later. Look. Look this one. Here I cut this part for this thing. This is called the aestivation. It is the arrangement of the petals in this form. The formation is called the twisted. Look, this one and this one up and this one inside. One part is outward and one part is the innerward. In a clockwise, you can say the outer part is outside. Here, isn't it? This type of aestivation is called a twisted. And previously I showed the tears of the ovary, and it is axial placentation. You can get the same placentation in the lady's finger. If you cut the lady's finger, you can get the same pattern here, because both hibiscus and lady's finger comes from the same family, Valvaceae.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.